Now that I have my geometry all set up, I can work on my grid. And if you remember, I've made the grid in such a way that I know exactly how many cells I want in each direction. Now, let's see what our grid looks like at the moment, and the predefined grid is way bigger than the cylinder that we want. But one nice trick that we can do is we can actually right-click on the grid and choose Resize Grid to the new bounds. What that will do is, in this case, shrink or increase your grid depending on how big your geometry is. This is a lot nicer than what I have before, much closer to my geometry size. Now I'm going to add the number of cells in each direction as the parameters that we define. So we have nx. You can see that looks closer to 100 cells in the x direction than it did before. Now we have ny for the y direction and nz for the z direction. Now our grid is a lot better defined. I can increase the number of cells per lambda, which I made a constant. So if I increase the number of cells per lambda to 200, you can see what happens to the grid. It gets twice as refined. For a fast simulation, we're going to start at 100. For a more refined simulation, you can go up any values you want. So now we have our grid defined, and we still need to define our current source. I'm going to unselect the grid